got D-rung. Good day, fellow Vietnamese people. Zam. Zam to you too. Zam zam. Our first ever Vietnamese game. Riven and Yasuo are both in the same game. Oh shit. It's in full screen. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is not how I expect. Don't shoot anyone. Dude, you can ping me all you want, mate. It's not gonna fix it. It's not gonna. I'm not gonna kill him any faster, man. I'm not gonna just stop pinging him. It's not helping. It's not helping. Oh my god, the Riven player. Jinx, I think it would be better if you just stayed bot. Okay, yeah. I mean, yeah, tell Ziggs exactly where I'm at. I like that. Why is my FPS only 60? So you guys said this is gold in Vietnam, huh? Well, Vietnam's pretty good. Did my character just stop attacking? Gold in Vietnam. I like it. Pretty good. Pretty good. I get it. Don't worry, Riven. I understand. You suck. You need help. I'm going back though. Sorry. It's me, man. It's me, man. Why was that? That's not your beautiful, is it? God damn it. Dude, Lee Sin's gonna keep coming. Like, he thinks that, like, he thinks if I want to be caught, like, he thinks that he's gonna catch me if I don't want to be caught. Like, like, what kind of Dumbo is he? He's like, I'm gonna sneak up on Master Yi. I'm gonna kill Master Yi. No, no, you're not. If I want to be caught, I will be caught. If I don't want to be caught, I won't be caught. Hey, he used his parry early. Nice. That means I kill him. You have heal? Why does Morgana have? Well, we understand why bot lane is 1 in 14 now, even though she just got her first kill right there. Alright, you go out there and be the bait. Be the meat. Yeah, there you go. Waste his kick and I'll be right there. Waste his kick. Got the red. Bitch! Ow, you dumb bitch! Yo, where's my pizza? Okay, bud. No, don't steal it with that! Yeah! First game of Vietnam! Pentakill! Kut Sash! Yes, I got it. No! Why? It's my second game! Hello, I am... How do I say I am Cowsep? I am stream. Thank you so much. I love you a lot. I will carry you today. Let's us have fun together. I choke you down just like a pill. This is kind of risky, especially when they're casting. Run, Cowsep, run! Run! Okay, okay. Yo, get help, get help. That's, Oh god, no! Oh! Oh god! Cue me, bro. Oh, come on, bro. I don't have any mana! Get him, bro! Get him! Riven! Riven! Get him! Yes! What a team, dude. Wait, what? What a team! Oh god, it really is here. Oh god, no, it's QTV. Oh god, he's gonna jump over. Law, get baited! Get baited! Yeah, but I do need to get a Quicksilver Sash if I want to keep killing them. Did I make her? Did I make them? Oh shit. Ooh, I'm sorry. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no, I'm not gonna join the game. Are these all game invites? Nope, stop it. No! Stop it! Stop it! I will add friends, but I'm not joining your damn game. Okay. Oh, damn it! Fuck! I understand some of you guys may not understand English. Stop inviting me, please. Don't live more tuition be alone. Please. Thank you. Sense. Dude, I knew I'd get fucking target banned. I fucking knew I'd get target banned. No, by my own team! What the fuck? Is he taunting me? I think this motherfucker's taunting me. Flash +6. You are my first victim. Get your ass back here! Get your ass back here! God, I'm realizing so OP! What? Chum toot. What the fuck? He threw me in the tower! That was pro! Good! Yes! Good job, Echo! You the man! You the fucking man! Good job, Echo. He died, didn't he? Uncle Obama's been hit, man. Did he just say hey, man? Hey, man. I choke you down just like a pill. Hey, bud. Easy. Where's my penta? Watch this juice. Boom! Juice! Holy shit! Did I hit the right key? I can do this! No! No! I hit the ball! No, I hit the wrong one! Oh my god! I alphaed the... Oh my god, I double struck the mid... Oh my god, I could have outplayed him. A moment of silence for young Cowsep and his failed alpha strike. Motherfucker. What? I was in alpha! What? What? My meditate reset! What? What? Oh my god. Oh my god. You gotta give me something to work with, Mundo. Stop being a pussy. Give me something to work with, Mundo. If you don't give me anything to work with, I'm going. You are really not very useful, are you, Mr. Mundo? They're so bad. That buy. Yo, why isn't it going? Wait. Oh my god. You've been placed in silver 1. Shoot me. I've never been placed in silver ever in my life. Bane, get out of the fountain. Bane. Hello? You should be running here. Bane. Bane. Oh, Bane. Hello, Bane! She teleported bottom. She fucking teleported bottom. She fucking teleported bottom, guys. Oh shit.
What on earth bring you to this toxic server?
Oh god, I have no HP! What the fucking lag, mate? What was that lag? The hell? Okay, check this out.
Biệt tất cả mọi người tôi đã có một ngày tốt ngày hôm nay. Ngủ ngon. Tình dục.
Goodbye, guys. Much love.